countries in Latin America in talent for crypto.
Early stage founders, you're so passionate and
equity it's more than just getting a better price on a book and seeing what your business is doing or where you can make some big bets.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining the Behind the Company Lines podcast.
Time is a commodity and I don't get a lot of, and it's something that I have to be really good at managing just because I'm involved with a lot of different properties and ventures, and obviously just TradeZing, it's a baby. So again, I have to be available for it as a baby. I got to be on call 24/7 for whatever it needs.
Before founding Recapped, I spent almost a decade either selling B2B software myself or leading sales teams. And really what I really had a lot of passion for is just building things from scratch. I wasn't really a big fan of kind of maintenance and going from 9 to 10. I like going from 0 to 1.
I think for successful entrepreneurs that they find something that's interesting to them and they just kind of pursue it and then they kind of see what happens. So I treat it more as like an expression of like art or discovery, that I'm showcasing something about my personality or my interests. And then we build the team around that and then we pursue it.
I was in a marketing role there at that company, but I was also taking on a lot of really menial tasks that weren't my job. And she's, look, just because you could vacuum the floor doesn't mean you should vacuum the floor. You need to understand what value you bring to the table and focus on that rather than picking up all this other stuff just because you're being the helper. Like, you're not going to help your career doing that.
I'm a big believer and fan of being self-taught this, self-taught that, because if you want to basically focus on your skill set, there's just so many resources online, starting with YouTube and then obviously like educational material. So it's all about, if you look back like a few months or about a year and see what kind of work you were producing or what you were working on, if you're not disgusted with your work, you haven't improved at all.